meiden, you know. Ik ga niet tot de loop Italië, te kennen een wat, dus hoe was je? Ik ga niet tot de loop Italië, ik heb dit pap, te kennen me vet, ik ga niet tot de loop Italië.
What is good, everybody? Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to another video of Billy the Car Guy. And into this video, I'll be working on the motorcycle, on the Honda CBR, trying to get move fairings to get to the spark plugs, clean filters, and just basically going through this motorcycle and basically see what the previous one has done, what has been done, and basically see things to fix. Like I showed in the video, like previous of the unveiled video, I showed that this literally bike needs whole new fairings, and yeah. But anyway, I'm get to work. I'm a little show like snippets of this and that, so I don't like waste time, because here in Netherlands it's sunny now, but in a matter of second, of fraction of a minute, it starts raining. So let's go, let's get it done. So first things first, you have to turn this clip around to open, to pry out this piece. Then I'm gonna move around to remove this piece, this bolt, this one, and under this piece there's a bolt right over down here, and then you gotta remove this, and then these bolts right here. So let me start removing this and continue. Like so. But oh, I totally forgot about this. I gotta get the bottle out to fill this back up. But yeah, now you see this. So let's go. Good news, guys. I have had some water in the car, so I can fill up this coolant. I don't know. Oh, I think it has like, I think it's green, but oh wait, it doesn't. No, I thought it might need coolant, but let me tilt it. But I don't think it needs it. But anyway, let me continue moving this. Here's another bolt. Just like that, one side is done. Fully naked bike.
Hello.
One side back together. So I've already the spark plugs, clean the spark plugs, put them back in. I already saw the bike to see, but now I'm just gonna finish off putting this back together and just start it up and just take a around the back, maybe give it a little some over here and come back. But I'm gonna move over to the finish to the outside and we're gonna go for a ride and see. So yeah, everybody, the bike is back together. Everything is back together. All the fairings are back together. Fuel tank is back together. All the bolts inside is back together. Yep. Like I said, the only thing I tried is to clean some dust that's out of the fairings. Also clean up the airbox as much as I can. Need to get a new one for that one. New spark plugs. I also cleaned the spark plugs, but I have to get a new one for those two. So basically now, just gonna start it, and I literally see. Definitely sounds better. So yeah, guys, for the quick ride around I did, it feels somewhat different. So the little cleaning I did, it did help. So, but yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here. Make sure you guys leave a follow, subscribe, drop a like for more content, cause more coming, man. See you guys in the next one. And thanks for watching and rocking with your boy. I'm doing it again.